Oh, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove the background of any image. I'm going to show you different methods to which you can use to remove background. So the method one is this. Now just go to your browser, go to Chrome and switch on your internet. So make sure your internet is switched on and go to remove.bg. Just press remove.bg, doesn't need .com. So we are going to practice with some pictures. Get into this page, you can see remove background 100% for free, and then I'm going to click on upload image, and then I'll click this boy and I'll click done. So let's see the magic that happens now. And now you can see that the background of the guy has been removed. So you can click this download button and then the picture will be downloaded, or will directly click on the picture itself. So it's saying, do you want to download this again? So I'll cancel. So you can use either of the way. And one thing is that this might not be very quality, because if you look at this side, see 446 by 559, and then I'm going to show you how to get the HDD quality for free. But before then, let's go to another website we can use to remove our background. So we are going to remove bg.ai. So this is an artificial intelligence, almost something like remove bg, the first one that we just checked now. So you can see that this one too is fine. So let's wait till it loads image and drop your, or you drag and drop your file if you are using a laptop or something. So another way is that you can use the Adobe background remover, but I'm not going to show you that one for now. So another option that we can use to remove the background of our picture and get HD quality, and this is actually the best option. This is the one I use most of the time. So I'll just go to Photoroom. It's an application, so you can directly get it from Google Play or Play Store, and we'll search for Photoroom. So it's actually one of the best of it. So I have Photoroom on my own, and then just click it and let's see the information about it. So this one gives us a privilege that we can, and then you see that it has more of high reviews more than the poor reviews. So it automatically removes the background with high quality, and then it doesn't give you any low quality result. So let me show you how to use the app. So just click on Photoroom, and in fact, more than removing the background, you have plenty other options that you can do with Photoroom. So I'll just select this transparent, and one of the things that this one also have is that it has the ability to remove pictures in batch. So you can remove multiple pictures at once, remove the background of multiple pictures at once. But in remove.bg, you can only remove one picture at once. So when you are done with the picture like this, just click this share, so, and then click save to gallery. Automatically it will be saved to your gallery. Or if you want to automatically save it, just click login and then create your account or log into the account. So for me, I'm not doing that for now. Or if you are doing a batch, just click on the batch here, and then that's the most recent batch of pictures I remove their background. So you can come here again and say, let's say I remove this guy's background, and please select at least 2 images because I are doing batch now. So I'll select this and select this. So okay, let's wait for the results. Estimating time, and you can see that automatically, and then so it's asking us now, what exactly do you want to do with all of this? You can change the background to white, the background to black, or a transparent background, or we can use any of this type, like cropping it to a particular size. So Photoroom is a very nice app. I'll click transparent, and then let's see the result I will get. And now automatically we have the background removed in high quality, which is better than the first one. So I'll click save to gallery, and let's see the result in our gallery. So I'll come to my gallery. I use Google Gallery, and it should show here Photoroom. If I check the picture size of this one, picture size information, and then you can see this is 338 kilobytes for this guy, for this small boy. Let me go to download and see the one I removed at remove.bg, and Let me see, this is 307, which means that 338 is greater than 307, which gives us better quality um, than remove.bg. So once again, you can use remove.bg, you can use remove.bg.ai, you can use Adobe, and you can use Photoroom. These are the best three ways I use to remove the background of my pictures. I hope you do like this video and you share it. Please kindly like and subscribe to this channel.